Hello, my name is Osh. Thank you very much. I'm very honoured to play with Yellowstone. This is a song I wrote myself. I'm not 100% sure what it's called, so if you have any ideas, please let me know. Are these angels living in my head? Am I going to places I've never been before? In these eyes of my lover, I see her drugging my lord. I can't go anymore. Well, I've played